How to disable people you may know suggestion on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you disable people you may know suggestion on Facebook. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open the application Facebook with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook app with your account, you'll go search interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the menu icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so simply from here, you'll have to scroll down and go the option setting and privacy. And now from here, tap on settings. Okay, so from the settings and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and go the option notification. Okay, so from the notification section, you'll have to swipe down and go the option people you may know. Alright, so from here, you'll have to turn on this option allow notification on Facebook. So simply you have to turn off this. Alright, tap on turn off. Okay, so after you done this, you'll have to just back from here and again from the setting and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like device permission. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from the device permission section, you'll have to scroll down and go the option location. So simply tap on the see info option. Alright, so from this location section, make sure that you have turned off the location permission to Facebook. So after you done this, you'll be able to disable you may know suggestion on Facebook. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.